Hello YouTube, I'm Blurry from DIGI and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to get fake background blur. So this background blur is not fake, this is real, but I can teach you a way with which you can get background blur and anything else. The background blur is completely fake and it is going to be using editing. You can do this with any editor like After Effects, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere. I do not know about other editors, but these three can do it. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, but there is a question how the background blur is gonna look. I'm gonna give you a few examples that is gonna make it clear. I think it's not gonna disappoint you. It gives the video a really good look. So let's see the examples. There are some people who would say that background blur isn't important, but I'm going to say this to you that background blur immediately improves your content quality. You turn into a professional YouTuber just with this. You see this background blur? It's all about the camera and the lens. Yeah, I'm not talking, but the channel, it looks like I'm a professional YouTuber. You need background blur, okay? So I hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.